Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a domain from your Cloudflare. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you have logged into your Cloudflare, go ahead to the websites right there at the top, and now you will see all of your websites here. So click on the domain you want to delete. Now you're going to see this. Now that the Cloudflare is protecting your site, you will see all of the DNS records right there, and some quick actions. In order to delete it, just scroll down a little bit more. And at the bottom, you will see remove from Cloudflare. So you can either pause it or remove it. Click remove if you want to, and just remove this website from Cloudflare. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.